Hello guys, after long time, this video regarding my highest project and update. So this time we are repairing and upgrade the rear drivetrain, including the brake, leaf spring and the dip. Rear drum will be locked and no traction at all. Almost nearly hit our shell model height. This is how it originally came. Drum is in a good condition and all the parts are exist including the handbrakes. We already disconnect the drive shaft. Last episode we show how we replaced the gearbox. So if you didn't watch that, you can watch from above. This is the original one. And this is the one we are going to fix. This is also highest third gen, which is LH51 differential. So there are minor changes need to done. I have bought these brand new parts from Leaf Spring store. So these are U-balls and some rubber shoes and silent bush. I bought both of them and the other rubber bushing for the leaf spring. And this is the center bolt. I bought both of them for brand new. Remove the leaf spring pack and took them out. So you can see there's a gap between two. That means the second leaf spring was broken, and you can see the gap between the rubber bush and here. So with this we have drove almost more than 300 kilometers, and I did notice some noise occur. So that's why we have removed and checked. Rubber bushes were not replaced for a long time. You can see the difference between the new one and the existing one. There's a hook that holds all the leaf springs together. We have to open that in order to take out the leaf spring. So my brother is opening with these tools. That helped us to replace the silent bushes. This is the brand new one. This need to be fixed tightly, so we have to press it into the leaf spring hole. So it will take some time. So we have to balance all the sides together. Otherwise you cannot press it once. So we combine the new leaf spring and add all the bolts. Now the differential is hanging on the leaf ring. We need to fix the drum. So this side we have fixed the drum cover. Now time to adjust the brakes. If we adjust perfectly, so we don't have to readjust that. If the drum moves smoothly, which means brakes are weak, so we have to readjust that. Time for a test drive. Hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more updates on the project. Thank you. See you in a new episode.